Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, best channel in the world. Welcome back to a Phayte effect. So I know you people will be like, what is this one again that you want to put on your hair? On today's episode of crazy things that I have put on my hair, we are going to be exploring this flaxseed. So guys, this happens to be the first time that I will be using this flaxseed on my hair. So I have 2 teaspoons of the flaxseed already in my clean pot, and then I now added 2 cups of clean water. Now this flaxseed, as you are seeing it right now, I'm just going to boil it and be stirring it continuously until it turns into a gel. When you know it's already getting close to turning into a gel is when it has started bubbling like this. So now this flaxseed is literally rich in omega-3 fatty acid, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Now the omega-3 fatty acid in it nourishes your hair follicles from the roots. After that, we have your vitamin E that improves scalp circulation, protects your hair from free radical damage, and adds natural shine to your hair. The protein in it leaves your strands stronger and better, so that means less breakage on your hair. So after a while of stirring this your flax seed, it will now start giving this gel like form, and it is best to sieve it out as it is hot. Now these parts, in fact, nobody will tell you by the time you start seeing your flaxseed very thick. So you have to strain it immediately and use it on your hair immediately. Although please don't use it on your hair while it's hot, but you need to strain it while it is hot, because if you just leave it for 1 minute, then you will notice that the gel is very hard and you will not be able to strain it at that point. So this was what I was doing. I was just doing it little by little. I just allowed it cool down a little bit before and I started draining it. I know it's giving like this kind of slimy vibe, but the gel like nature in it actually helps the hair. It is a natural moisturizer, and flaxseed gel works as a leave-in conditioner that defines your coils and makes your hair very soft. Now I've left my hair for days without even using any leave-in or water or anything. I just left it very dry because I wanted you guys to see how this is going to moisturize my hair and how it is going to make my hair feel. I am such a playful baby, and that is the reason I was playing with the gel. It was so slimy, and in fact I was so curious. I'm like, can I really put this thing on my hair? Will it really work on my hair? There were so many questions that I was asking. So anyway guys, this is my moringa and ginger hair growth oil. So I'm going to be adding it to the gel because it just really adds everything and just makes everything really nice. So after I added it, I'm just going to be mixing it together, because it's moringa and ginger, so it will add its own benefits to the hair. So my newbies here, in case if you don't know what I am doing, I am sectioning my hair into 4 different parts. Now my OGs already know why I do this, because my hair is really thick. And in fact, that gel that we made wasn't enough at the end, but you guys you're gonna understand what I mean, because my hair is very thick, and I don't know what they call it, whether low porosity, high porosity hair. I don't know the terms, but sometimes it is very hard for things to for my hair to absorb things. So I have to put a lot of things in it before it can absorb it. So if your hair can easily absorb things, then you will not really need so much gel on it. If your hair is even short, I think this one will do. But in case if your hair is like mine and it's thick, it's thick and it's full, then you need to make more gels, maybe like 1 cup of your flaxseed and then more cups of water on it. The main thing is, after my gel was done, after I finished using this one, I was still able to use my leftover flaxseed to make more gels. You guys are going to see that as we proceed in the video. So right now I'm literally just massaging everything into my roots. As I told you guys, I have not even put water on my hair for days. Like you guys know the way water is used to moisturize your natural hair, or maybe put like an oil or something. I left my hair like this purposely because I wanted to see the work of this our flaxseed, and let's just say I was amazed. Can you see how that comb is just brushing? It's just passing the hair, it's just passing through, like without friction, without nothing, without my hair breaking all over the place. And I actually recommend this. After that, I now even decided to do finger detangling, so just detangle my hair even more. And guys, everything was so seamless. Like you see the way my curls are even coming out. Guys, this flaxseed is what I literally recommend. I was having such a nice time. At some point I even forgot that I was making a video. I just started combing through my hair and I was like, yo, this is the first time that I'm using something this cool on my hair, and it is just giving. So the next section, I decided to wet it first before adding the flaxseed on it, and I noticed a difference. So that first time my hair was dry, and then the second time that I wet the hair, it was just, I think it was easier for the gel to enter the hair. It was easier for my hair to absorb the gel. So I really recommend you do that if you're, in case if your hair is it low porosity, high porosity, please tell me in the comment section. I don't know which one it is, but in case if your hair doesn't what they call it, absorb things easily, I think it's best to just wet it first, and then it kind of just, calms it down, and then it cannot absorb your gel properly. So did I mention that this our flaxseed contains anti-inflammatory properties in it that soothe your scalp conditions like dandruff, itchiness. So in case if you have all this dandruff, itchiness, lice, different things, maybe eczema, sorry, eczema, as Nigerians would call it, lakpa stuff on your hair, this flaxseed can actually help with soothing those kind of scalp conditions, and it can take it away. Not only that, it creates a healthy environment for your hair to grow. This flaxseed is what I totally recommend for you guys, because it is really good for your hair. Not only that, I know you people like the benefits no be here. All these benefits I'm even mentioning is just for the hair. I've not even mentioned the one that is for the body. I'm going to give you guys as take-home assignment. People should go and Google that one. For now, we're just talking about how good it literally is on your hair. So now this flaxseed also contains ligands that help balance hormones, which can reduce hair fall caused by hormone imbalance. So in case if you have hormonal imbalance that can cause hair falls for you, the ligands in it can help arrange that, can help stop that. So as you guys saw, my gel finished. I had to go and make another one, as I told you guys before. So the leftover flaxseed that we used earlier in this video, I just went back to boil it, and I added 2 cups of water again to it, and it came out as a gel, and it was enough for me to finish doing the back of my hair. So now my OGs here know that when we are treating our natural hair, we do not neglect the back, because the back of your hair is as important as the front of your hair. So anything you do to the front of your hair, you do it to the back. You do not want a situation whereby the front of your hair is long and then the back of your hair isn't, or maybe the back of your hair is now short. So after I was done with the back, I decided to just use the leftover gel on my scalp. Those scalp that you might actually forget, or you might actually not apply it on. I decided to put it everywhere. I wanted it to touch everywhere. After that, I took a black nylon and I used it to wrap my hair. I just wanted my hair to absorb all the nutrients from this flaxseed and create that heat, and heat to actually stimulate it and make all the nutrients that I mentioned earlier, the omega-3 acid, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, to enter my hair. So I left my hair for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, guys, this is my hair all blow dried. I had not even put oil, nothing on it, and I was already loving my hair. So I actually did this whole method to prep my hair for my new protective style, which was the crochet braids that I wanted to do. But you know, this is what I literally do before making hair, whether it's braids, whether it's crochet, whether it's weave on, whatever I want to do. I always make sure I prepare my hair so that underneath that my protective style, my hair will be healthy, my hair will be growing, my hair will not have any itchiness, or when I'm losing it, it will not be breaking. So I actually recommend you guys that you do this. I recommend this to you guys. Please make sure that you do any of my natural hair videos. You know, if it's the moringa and ginger hair oil you want to put on here, if it's aloe vera, if it's okra, if it's this flaxseed, please make sure you do something on your hair before you go and get that protective style. It just helps your hair to grow underneath your braids, underneath your crochet. For if you want to leave your hair for 1 month or 2 months, underneath that your protective style, your hair will thank you later. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment in the comment section telling me what you think about today's video. I love you, I love you, I love you guys, and I will see you guys on my next YouTube video. Mwah. Bye.